Guys, it's definitely the month for earbuds, and today I'm looking at the BTW86 wireless earbuds from TicSounds. So why would you consider these earbuds over the ton that are out there already? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Scene Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, these are the BTW86 earbuds from TicSounds. And as I said, there are a ton of these earbuds out there, and they all have different features and different price tags depending on what you're looking for. Now, before we get into it, TicSounds sent me these BTW86s to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, as you know, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So before we get into it, let's take a quick look at what we've got in the box. So guys, open the box up and we are greeted with the earbuds themselves. Let's move them aside for a moment and grab the instructions. Now, these are fairly comprehensive and they're multi-language. We then have the USB-C charging cable. Always good to see USB-C on a budget set of headphones. And then guys, we have the main event, the earbuds themselves. They're housed in a charging case with a clear lid, so you can see the LED status on the earbuds themselves. Now, this case is a little bit larger than the Apple AirPods case. And guys, the resemblance doesn't end there. Flipping the lid up, you can hear spoken instructions, and taking a bud out, well, you can see that these two resemble AirPods, if just a little bit longer. Now, looking around the back, we have a pairing button, and on the bottom we have a USB-C charging port. So guys, a few specs. The weight of a single earbud is only 3.5 grams. They have a Bluetooth 5.3, an automatic one-step connection with 80% increased connection speed. That's pretty cool. They also have dual channel transmission technology, which gives you seamless switching between single and binaural mode. The earbuds use a 13.4mm composite diaphragm with large moving coil. Oh, and apologise for the noise outside because something's just started and sounds like an aeroplane landing. But anyway, we'll crack on. They support audio high definition decoding and CVC 8.0, which allows you to enjoy crystal clear phone calls. They also have touch operation and are IPX5 waterproof. Now, these wireless earphones, let's grab the other one. You can control volume, and the skipping of songs, rewinding of songs, and you can control your voice assistant all with a touch of the finger on either the left or the right side of the earphone shaft. Guys, just pop those out because I can't actually hear myself, but 10 minutes of charge will get you an hour of playback, and the charging case can last for up to 30 hours. So guys, there you have it, the BTW86 earbuds from TicSounds. Now, these are pretty cool, and you know what, I get it. These are not noise cancelling, right? There are tons of those, but when you're not traveling around or you're, sitting in the quiet, although I'm not sitting in the quiet now because I don't know what's going on out there, but anyway, you don't really need noise cancellation, which, let's face it, can sometimes alter that soundstage. Oh, and of course, about that soundstage, well, and the sound quality, you know what? It's good. The soundstage is pretty wide, and there are a ton of, there is a ton of clarity. You can hear all of the instruments and vocals so clear. And what I will say, guys, is that these BTW86s are fairly neutral in terms of treble and bass, and the amount of each will definitely vary depending on what type of music you are playing. But guys, for less than £16 at the time of this video, these are well worth considering. If you just want a pair of nice sounding cheap earbuds, you won't go far wrong with these guys. So that just about wraps this one up. I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, you know what to do. And guys, if you like the video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to TicSounds for sending me these rather cool earbuds. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.